How to manage your games with Steam Storage Manager. Steam Storage Manager is a tool that allows you to manage your Steam games. You can use it to move games between different drives, uninstall games, and see how much space your games are taking up. To open Steam Storage Manager, follow these steps. 1. Open Steam. 2. Click on the Steam menu in the top left corner of the window. 3. Select Settings. 4. In the Settings window, click on the Downloads tab. 5. Under Steam Library Folders, click on the Manage button. This will open the Steam Storage Manager window. From here, you can do the following: *move games*, *to move a game to a different drive, select the game and then click on the Move button. Select the drive you want to move the game to and then click on the Move button again. *uninstall games*, *to uninstall a game, select the game and then click on the Uninstall button. Click on the Uninstall button again to confirm. *see how much space your games are taking up*. In the Steam Storage Manager window, you can see how much space your games are taking up by looking at the total space used column. You can also use Steam Storage Manager to create new Steam library folders. To do this, click on the Add Library Folder button and then select the location of the new folder. Steam Storage Manager is a great tool for managing your Steam games. It makes it easy to move games between different drives, uninstall games, and see how much space your games are taking up.